Hello, my name is Corey Rattan, President and CEO of Alvopetro Energy. 2025 really was a transformational year for Alvopetro with major reserve and production growth. We significantly strengthened our asset base while maintaining our disciplined capital allocation model. In 2025, we were able to generate 41% year-over-year production growth up to over 2,500 barrels of oil equivalent per day. Then in the fourth quarter of last year, we posted a new record quarter production at nearly 2,900 barrels of oil equivalent per day. And then to start off 2026, we posted another record production month at 3,100 barrels of oil equivalent per day. So we're off to another good start this year. That success from last year really did translate into some very strong reserve growth. Even after you consider that we produced nearly 1 million barrels of oil equivalent per last year, our 1P reserves were up 79% and our 2P reserves were up 43% to over 13 million barrels of oil equivalent. That represented a 2P production replacement ratio of 530%. And then that all translates into some very strong net asset value growth, with our 1P NPV10s up 38% and our 2P NPV10s up 20% to nearly US $400 million. We also did announce our 2026 capital plan. So we've had much higher than anticipated results from our core asset in Northeast Brazil, which is a 100% owned asset called Murucututu, and mainly off the success of our 183D4 well that we drilled and brought on production in August of last year. So our 2026 plan is really focused on expanding the related field production and gathering infrastructure so that we can accommodate growing production from that field. As those projects near completion, our plan would be to ramp up our development drilling program there to fully unlock the potential of that asset. And then in addition, last year we added a Canadian growth platform. We've now drilled 8 wells there, 4 net wells using open hole multilateral drilling technology. All those wells are now on production, and our Canadian production base is also growing nicely as we start off 2026. So we see over 100 Tier 1 drilling locations on that asset and think we're really well positioned for strong growth there as well. So the last thing I just wanted to comment on is really Alvopetro does have a unique and disciplined capital allocation model where we're looking to reinvest half of our cash flows in organic growth and return the other half to stakeholders. So we did increase our quarterly dividend last year up by 20% to 12 cents US per share. That represents a current yield of over 8%. And as I've noted, we've significantly expanded our organic growth opportunities both in Brazil and now also in Canada. So although last year was an exceptional year for us, we're really excited about 2026 and our growth prospects moving forward in the long term. So certainly for more information, please visit our website at alvopetro.com, and thank you very much.